guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, it's gonna be like a really chill video. I see these videos all the time. I watch them all the time. They seem pretty relaxing and they get me motivated. So today we're gonna be doing a clean with me video. I need to clean my beauty room. It looks really nice from like this view, but then behind the scenes, it's not that bad. I mean, it's kind of bad, but it's not that bad. But let's do a behind the scenes of my beauty room. So I need to clean up all of this. I just did a Walmart haul video, so I need to put all this away. Got some random makeup, a box over here that has a bunch of random crap in it that was from a haul, and then over here is like excess stuff. I got some wigs over there and like some towels, a bag from Maurice's. It looks a mess. Don't judge me, guys. You guys know that life happens, and let's go ahead and clean this stuff up. I'm in a cleaning mood, so let's prop you guys up and do a time lapse of cleaning. Oh. Thank God it's Friday night and I just got paid.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you. Make it last forever. Stop in time. Yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you.
close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them. To see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Okay guys, so that is the end of the video. Let me show you guys what everything ended up looking like. Let me take a drink first, I'm tired. So you guys saw the mess that it was before, and now let me show you what it looks like now. It's not perfect, but a lot better. I'm trying to figure out a way to like hang my hats, you guys. So if you guys have any sort of, you know, tips on like somewhere to put your hats, then definitely let me know. And then we have our mirror. Then over here is just like my brushes, my powder, stuff I use like on a regular basis. My paper towels, I fixed that. And then this corner over here is just like random stuff. So it's like organization trays. There's a mirror over there. It's just kind of like a storage area because my room is so small. And then I used to have that teddy bear on my couch, but he's retired. My desk is way better. My trash can I took out. Over here looks way better. Cat bowl. And then over here is clean again. I put some pictures up there. So I love Disney, you guys know that, so I figured I would put those in my background. And then if you guys have a good way, like I've been just hanging my wigs on my lights, all my different wigs, so that they don't get all like tangled up and stuff. So I just hang them from my lights. So if you guys have like a cool way to like organize your wigs, if you have any, let me know for sure. And yeah, everything's clean now. I feel much better. So hopefully you guys like this video. It's my first clean with me video, so let me know if you guys liked it. If you guys want to see more of these videos, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I post videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Also, go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I post daily on makeup and plus size fashion. As always, remember, be your own kind of beautiful, and toodles for now.